Hello class, this is a video tutorial on congruency part 1. In this video, we'll be looking at congruent triangles. A pair of congruent triangles will have 3 equal corresponding, which just means matching, sides and angles. So in this example here, we have 2 triangles. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. So we're being told that these 2 triangles are already congruent. Well, because they are congruent, we can say that AB is equal to XY. So that line tells us that they are equal. But not only that, you can use more pieces of information that the angle is opposite that side. Notice how this angle is also opposite the same side. AC is equal to XZ. So notice again, the dot is opposite AC, therefore the dot is opposite XZ. So these are corresponding sides. And lastly, BC is opposite the empty space, which means YZ is opposite the empty space as well. So these 2 sides are equal. In the same manner that the sides are equal, the angles are also equal. So ABC, angle ABC, ABC, this angle here, is equal to XYZ. Angle ACB, ACB, whoops, is equal to angle XZY. And lastly, angle BAC is equal to angle YXZ. So in essence, we have 6 pieces of information that tell us that these 2 triangles are congruent. We have 3 sides and 3 angles. However, 2 triangles can be proven to be congruent with fewer matching sides or angles. The fewest number of conditions for congruency proofs are summarized in the following 4 tests: side, 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 angle, angle, side, side, angle, side, and right angle, hypotenuse, side. I'll summarize this very shortly now. So, side, 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 S, 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 very straightforward. If you can find that 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3, so these are 3 matching equal sides, then these 2 triangles are congruent. Very straightforward with this one. With this one, angle, angle side, AAS, so 2 angles of one triangle are equal to 2 angles and the matching side of another triangle, then these 2 triangles are congruent. So for example, 1 angle, these are equal. 2 angles, these are equal. And the side, the side that's given that are equal is also opposite the X in both triangles. So this angle is opposite the side. This angle is opposite the side. So these are equal and in the same position. Therefore, these 2 triangles are congruent. Side, angle, side. This one's very important, SAS. And the position of the angle is very important on this one. So we have 2 sides, and the angle between them in one triangle are equal to the matching sides and angles of another, then the 2 triangles are congruent. So take a look. We have 1 pair of sides that are equal. We have another pair of sides that are equal. And the angle between the 2 sides is also equal. So notice how the angle between the 2 sides are equal. So for example, if this dot was placed here, so we're being told that this angle and this angle are equal. But notice how this angle is not in between the equal sides. Therefore, we can't prove that these two triangles are congruent or not. The side given must be in between the given sides that are equal. And the last one is right angle. So, sorry, just to emphasize, SAS, the angle must be in between. The last one, RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side. So we need to have a right angle and the same hypotenuse in both triangles. And if we can find that one more side is equal, then these two triangles are congruent. So for example, if we are told that instead of this side, it was this one, unfortunately that is not enough because these are not matching positions. It has to match the same position or the corresponding sides in both right angle triangles. So going over again, we have side, 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 angle, angle, side, side, angle, side, and right angle, hypotenuse, side, RHS. So now let's go through one example here. So we're being told that these pairs of triangles are congruent. However, we need to figure out which test we can use to prove it. So we have 6 examples here. I can zoom out for you. You can just write down one of the 4 acronyms: SSS, AAS, SAS, or RHS. So here we go. So for this one, hopefully you can see we have one side is equal, another side is equal, and the angle between both of them is also equal. That is side, angle, side. So for this one, we can say the test of SAS was used. Let's take a look at this one now. We have 7 is matching with 7, 9 is matching with 9, and 10 is matching with 10. So these two triangles are congruent simply because of S, S, S. Very straightforward. Let's take a look at this one now. We have one pair of matching angles. We have 2 pairs of matching angles. So we can already see angle, angle. And we have one side. But not only that, 55 is opposite the given side, and it's the same in the other triangle. So for this one we have angle, angle, side. So this one is A, S. For this one, let's take a look. Hopefully you can already see it. We have a right angle. We have the hypotenuse. They're both 10. And the given side in the same position is a 6. So that there is R, H, S. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. Let's take a look at this one now. Look very carefully. You can pause it and give this a go yourself. We have one pair of sides. We have 2 pairs of sides. And the angle in between them is also given. That there is side, angle, side. Notice how the angle is in between it. That is side, angle, side. And lastly for this one, take a look. We have a right angle. Notice how the hypotenuse is not given. So it's actually not this one. So we have a side. We have a side. And the angle in between both of them, they're both 90. Therefore, we have side, angle, side. That there is SAS. So just a little bit of a note. Just because there's a right angle doesn't always mean it's RHS as the test. So I hope that gave you an insight into congruency and the 4 proofs used to prove 2 triangles are congruent or not. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.